What's up, Wayne Barron here with Dr. Fix Studios. This is the first video that I've done in a long time. Actually, I haven't really done a lot of videos in a while, which really sucks because I really enjoy doing videos and posting them up here for the community. So this is going to be an unboxing. Well, for those who have followed me, know that I've been using a Lenovo G770 laptop since around 2012, 2013. Well, that one finally bit the bullet. The motherboard started going bad. I lost power to the CD-ROM drive, then I lost power to the Ethernet card, and then all of a sudden one day while I was using it, I'm just glad that I was at the house, the palm rest right here started getting really hot, and whenever I reached over and I unplugged it, took the battery out of it, and whenever I lifted it up, the bottom of the desk or the top of the desk up underneath the laptop was so daggone hot that I think that if I was not here, it possibly could have caught a fire. So I got me some new stuff for a new laptop. And it's an older laptop, it's a thicker laptop, but I'm not getting a laptop to take out and to enjoy life outside of the office. My work is done inside the office. So I just got a bunch of stuff to go in with the laptop. I picked it up pretty cheap, but I got a 250 gig SSD card, and so pretty much it's a Crucial 256 gig or 250 gig. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to install 120 gigs going to be the C drive, and then the rest of it's going to be the install drive for the Adobe programs 3ds Max and Sony Vegas. And so we also got, I had to get the laptop came without a battery or without a power supply, so I had to buy them separately, which wasn't a big deal. So this right here is the battery for it, and let's go ahead and get this open. I've had everything here since the last part came in was on Friday, and that was the laptop. But this right here is the battery for it. It's a Dell laptop, which I cannot remember the name of it, and that is bent. I hope that is not going to cause an issue. So it most likely bent during transport. So let's go ahead and set that right over there. And then this right here should be the power supply, or the power brick as they call it. Okay, so alright, so the power cord and the power brick, this is a major heavy joker. So yeah, for a heavy laptop, and we're getting ready to see that in just a second. So we will find out a little bit later. But anyway, the laptop would go up to 32 gigs of memory. So I bought an 8 gig stick, and then I've got some 4 gig sticks, and for what I understand, it's got 4 slots. I got this off from eBay, and it was $250 for it, and he offered to sell it to me for $220 including shipping. So this is I mean, it's not bad for an eBay purchase. It's got a little ding in it. I'll get to it. Let's see, yeah, it's got a little ding in it right there. And so up underneath, I mean, it looks in really good shape. I mean, the Lenovo that I bought it off eBay, and it lasted for, well, from 2012 to 2019, so 17 years. 7 years, sorry about that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I mean, it actually looks a lot bigger than my Lenovo by a long shot, and it probably is. But this is the Dell Precision M8600. And so yeah, so that's it. So like, it's got 2 hard drive slots plus a CD-ROM slot, so I won't have to remove the CD-ROM in order to put my SSD and my 1 terabyte drive in here. So that works out extremely great. And so yeah, I just gotta take everything apart and put in the memory and the cards, and then this thing will be ready to go, and I cannot wait. I've had some family issues the last couple of days, so that's the reason why I've waited so long. And I just got off work. I brushed my hair because I looked rough. I washed my face, and I did this video. Yeah, I can't wait. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this part of the video, and then I reckon we'll see the rest of it whenever I start putting this thing together. Okay, here we go. So we're going to install the memory. We've already got the battery out of it. As you very well know, I have not put anything in, so this is coming straight after doing the unboxing. So we're gonna just take our fingernail and go up underneath the bezel here, and then we're gonna pop this up. Okay, nice. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3 screws. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this up. All right, so we've got a cover right here going over the memory. Okay, so that's our slots. So we've got 2 sticks of, okay, we got an 8 gig and a 4 gig. So we're gonna put our and then we're gonna put our memory cover back. Well, no, the memory cover won't go on there now. However, we can put this back on there. So let's go ahead and do that. Make sure that we put it inside of its little latch right there. And that's all we need access to from this part. Bend it out just a little bit, just give it a slight bend and to pop into the sides. It works better if you got a magnet, and right here I just found a round magnet to put on my screwdriver, and it works out really great. That way the screw actually stays on it. Or if you got a magnetic screwdriver, that works as well. And I picked up this one right here, Cobalt, from Lowe's for like $7 for a complete kit, so it works out great. Okay, so that's got that one. This thing looks really good to be a used system. I mean, it is nice, really nice. Let's go ahead and close that down, flip it up, and we need to undo I think just this screw and this screw, and then I believe it should just slide right off. I had to watch a video on it. Okay, there it goes. So I didn't even have to remove the 2 top ones. Okay, so it's already got a 4 gig, and I believe, yeah, it's already got 2 4 gigs in here, so that's great. And then this right here is our secondary drive. So let's take a look at it right quick. So you got a screw here and a screw there, and there's a screw right here. It's hard to see when you don't have enough light, and there it goes, pops right on out. And this right here is a 500 gig. So let's go ahead and do that now. That way I can go ahead and get this joker installed. I mean, you would think that this right here would be the main and this right here would be the secondary. Alright, so we're going to go in like here. Just going to slide that out. We're going to put this in here like so. Alright, so let's go ahead and just slide this back in here. So we're going to set it down right there. And then just push it forward. Let's go ahead and put our screws back in. So we got one right here. This one here. And this one right here. Okay, so only thing we got to do now is just put the cover back on. So this is the hard drive caddy that I ordered. And I'm assuming it fits in like so, because it can't go in like this. So it's got to go in like this. And that is awfully snug. But I'm not really sure exactly how it goes in. So let's just take this apart. So it doesn't take that long to take it apart. Right, quick and simple. I mean, doesn't seem like there's very much to do here, except for just slide it into that slot right there. Let's unscrew this. Yep, there you go. So that's got to be unscrewed in order for that to go in. So that's how that works. Okay, no problem. Alright, so yeah, the hard drive is now in there and it's nice and secured, so that's great. Alright, and so yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and slide this back on. And I think this right here is for the docking station. So it slides in like so, and then just drop it down and goes right in. You got to push this all the way over and then it'll pop it up so you can take the battery out of it. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and boot this thing up and go ahead and install Windows 10 on it. That's pretty much it, and thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.